Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of TechCover. Today in this video I just want to show you how to fix this problem I got here on my phone. So when I just open the WhatsApp, just want to verify my account. Once I just dial my phone number here, and when I get here on verify the number, you can say I got this problem. You need the official WhatsApp to log in. So when I just want to check is it official or not, you're gonna just tap on the link you got here on this page, and you will get this WhatsApp menu, and you will just tap on redirect to Google Play Store, and you can see the latest WhatsApp version has been installed to my phone. And if you just want to fix this problem, I'll show you the ways about how we can do this. So you can see it's kind of account ban I got here on my phone. So if you just want to fix this, you can tap to open the Play Store of your phone, then you will play protect. Once tap on play protect, you just tap over here on this setting, and you can turn off this to your option, and you're going to try to verify your phone number again. If it doesn't work, you're going to get back here on the setting of your Android device and open it. So after that, you're going to find out the apps. Let me find the apps, and here I got it. Then tap on manage apps. Then you have to find out the WhatsApp from this list. So let's go ahead to find it. Once I got the WhatsApp, just tap to open, tap over here, tap again, and you can see it's just going to clear the cache. And after that, you're going to force up your WhatsApp, and you're going to retry to verify your phone number here on WhatsApp. If it's still you got the problem, you just want to fix it, it's just an account ban, and you have to verify your status just here on WhatsApp help center. You can just find it out here on the browser by typing account help center. So now what you can do, you have to fill this box. First of all, you just have to choose the country you're here, just using the phone number. For example, just going to fill this with my phone number, which is in Turkey. So after that, I'm just going to fill this box with my email address. Then I'm going to choose the device I'm using, which is Android or iPhone, and after that you're going to type something like this. You can say just type here, and you can just copy or paste this one to your box to verify that your phone does have the official latest version of the WhatsApp, which is installed from the Play Store. So when you just verify that, it will be just fix it after 24 hours, and I will just update it. So this is how we can fix this problem. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and say until next week to start videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.